You can watch my quick word of the day videos to increase vocabulary and improve pronunciation. My name is Mary and I am from Canada. The two words of the day are hear and listen. Both words are verbs related to the sense of sound. Hear is a passive action occurring naturally when sound waves enter the ear. Listen is an active process that involves paying attention to sound. In summary, you hear sounds without trying to, but you listen to sounds intentionally. Please continue to the next slide for practice exercises using these two verbs. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Bye now.